Presenting Mi 360-degree Home Security Camera 2K Pro in white color. Mi 360-degree Home Security Camera has 2K video resolution quality for better clarity in every frame. It features a dual-axis pan tilt zoom motor with a 360 degrees horizontal viewing angle and 118 degrees vertical viewing angle for a wider coverage area. The high-sensitivity image sensor displays color videos in low light that brings out every detail to give you a clear view. You can also get access to live camera footage on your Mi or Redmi smart TVs with Mi Home. The camera comes with AI human detection and dual microphone noise reduction features. Mi 360 degrees Home Security Camera comes with a physical privacy shield. The lens can be blocked via Mi Home app if you don't want the camera monitoring you or the area of the house. Once enabled, the camera lens will automatically rotate downwards inside of the case to protect your privacy. The Mi camera supports dual-band Wi-Fi connections that reduces signal interference, improves transmission speed, and provides a more stable connection with no lag. The camera comes with user manual, power cable, standard adapter, and wall mounting accessories package. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.